Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Pretty neat design, and it's got a shadow to it, and it looks like folded paper. And you could use any shape. Let's just take a square, doesn't really matter what size. And let's Control D and make a duplicate, and then move the rotation of there, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Now I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. I'm going to use a different color this time. And I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it over. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take this one and nudge it out of the way. And I'm just going to turn it that same color. I'm going to take away the outline. And I'm going to take my drop shadow tool. And I'm just going to kind of go up just a little bit. Then I'm going to go to object and break the drop shadow apart. Now, a lot of times you're going to grab the drop shadow because it's a big box. But if we go right here, that is actually behind it. So if we could do it, just take both of them, make sure you've got two objects selected, and let's intersect it. Now let's move that back and then move this over. Now we need to take the yellow one or the orange one, order back a page, and see you have that shadow that's going to be there every time. So now we need to group it together, Control G. I almost want to say alternate C, but we're not in the center of the page. So I just Control D, double click on the rotation, put it there, rotate it 45 degrees. I must not have, I grouped it, which I needed to. Whenever you do that, you can go Control D and go backwards, go to 0, and then Control D, and it'll do the opposite. And so that each square has a drop shadow behind it, and they're perfectly in order. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.